You've got a topic, you've got videos, now you need people. Let's get into how to do it. Right now I am offering a free YouTube checklist, so if you want to get your channel started right, or if you want to whip your channel into shape, check the link below. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email. And for a limited time, I'm going to offer an extra bonus training mini-series for people who sub. On with your video. Okay, welcome to part 3 of my YouTube channel creation mini-series in 2019. In this part, you're going to learn how you can interact with other YouTubers and viewers and everything else. This part is probably the bread and butter of the whole course, so thank you for making it for part 3. But it is not every part you need to know. Again, my course details the Quickstart stuff, the kind of hacks that will let you get ahead in YouTube faster. But what I'm giving you is an overview that you can use to eventually have a successful YouTube channel if you want to basically grind it out. Anyway, this video is about how you interact on YouTube. So we're going to cover commenting, what it is, why you do it, what you can gain from it. We're going to cover replying to your audience members, and we're going to cover spreading your YouTube channel to other social mediums. And it's all going to be quick overviews. I'm not going to give you detailed methods, not in this video. If you want more, you check my channel or you check my lovely course below. The basis of interaction on YouTube comes from the comment system. Now, your videos can be discovered through the different discovery mediums such as related videos, search, featured videos on the front page, a number of things. So you have a video that has 1 million views on it. If you go to the comments, 10 to maybe 50% of people, depending on how the video is created, how it's set up, all that good stuff, people will go down to the comments, comment below, read top comments, and you can gain traffic from that. Traffic equates to views, views equate to subs. Views also equate to traction for your videos, so they perform higher in the search results. It's crazy, but the idea is you make comments, and you make good comments, you make constructive comments on videos where your viewers are. They come to your channel, they view it, they sub, and there you go. Simple as that. You get positive interactions, your videos do better, your channel snowballs, and bam, you're bigger than PewDiePie versus T-Series. So what you do is you pick, in this course, what I'm going to teach you is that you need to pick 20 people on YouTube who have between 20,000 to 100,000 subscribers that release regular videos. So I'm talking 3 to 14 a week. I want you to pick those channels, subscribe to them, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified on your smartphone or your computer every time someone releases a new video. As soon as they release a new video, go down to it, make a kick-ass comment that gets upvoted all the way to the top, and that will get you traffic. Simple as that. If you do this on creative YouTube channels, you will find that you gain traffic, you gain views, you gain subs. Your channel does better, and you have a reward from what you do. Now, you can do this with 10 to 100 channels, but what I want to caution you about is watch enough of the video that you have something unique to give and constructive. You know, you're giving value. My whole channel, again, if you've watched any other videos, is about giving value first before you receive value. It's a crazy concept. If you're unfamiliar with it, go check some more videos on business philosophy in my channel. Learn, come back to this video. So, once you give value, people will come back to your channel. You'll get views, subs, easy. Strategy number 2 in this is you interact with other YouTubers. So you personally message them. You say, hey, let's do a collaboration on this topic. Hey, let's do a podcast interview. Hey, let's sit here on Skype and talk to one another about the direction YouTube is going in 2019. What do you think will be successful? What won't be successful? Easy as that. There's some websites that you can use, but I'm not going to list them here. It's too long. If you're interested, check the course. If not, good luck. And number 3, we're going to talk about social interactions for YouTube outside of YouTube. You can go to Facebook, post your YouTube channel, post YouTube videos, Instagram, etc. Plug your channel, get some audience members there. What I will warn you about is this takes more effort, but it also brings more reward. You have to develop your social account on those platforms to develop your YouTube channel. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you have a Facebook with a lot of friends, this is probably where you want to start to gain traffic to your videos, but it is not going to be the way your YouTube channel blows up overnight. If you want to learn how to do that, again, below, check my channel, etc. Easy stuff. So I will see you in part 4, where we are going to talk about how you develop a content publishing schedule.